Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Well, blessed love. Welcome guys, welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. You know the thing though. Remember guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me 1 sec, phone. Yes guys, my phone was ringing. I know the big bulldog barking. Yeah man, so you know we're here today. I'm running 2 errands. You know, I'm checking out this nice, wonderful Airbnb as well too for a friend of mine. You know, to one of our extended family. I'm checking out this nice Airbnb because they're coming down and asked me if I could go and check out an Airbnb, you know, so you cannot know who the person is, but this is a nice Airbnb. It's called Mayfair. You know, you can also check it out as well too. You know, it's got secret garden, Julia Mango restaurant, you got spa and salon, you got pub and you got bar and grill, lobby, pool as well too, you know. So let me give you a rundown of what it's like. You know, it's very nice. So these are the rooms them as well too over here. You know, it's like a little cottage, you know, nice shaded trees and everything. So it's really nice. You know, you got rooms over there as well. I don't know how much of you guys ever been here before, you know, but it is really nice. So these over here that you're looking at are rooms. You know, it's not on a building. Over here you got upstairs rooms and downstairs. So it's 2 floors, you know, on these sides. So you have also Prime Minister Suite, I guess. You know, you have Prime Minister Suite, and these are the ground floor ones as well too. So you have upstairs and downstairs here. Car park right there, and you have the pool area as well too, right around there. So let me take you so you can see you are going. So it's very nice, especially in the night. It's cozy, you know. In your room also is you have your jacuzzi as well too. You know, it depends on the room that you choose. So you got nice pool area for you to enjoy, because you can see there's pool there and thing. And just see the pool area is over there. You can chill. Sitting area, so you can see people chilling out. You got bathroom here where you change and everything. And the pool area is over there. Kids there is playing. People chilling out, having a nice time. So it's very nice. Over here is where you order your food as well too when you're sitting by the pool, you know. So it's nice chilling. It's a nice chill spot, you know, off grid here, you know. You have an outside dining area as well too where you can dine. You have the pub and bar inside there. You also have a little mini upstairs bar as well too up here outside. You know, it is really nice. You know, it's really nice up here. You can come and enjoy yourself and think. Come and sit down, especially in the nights when all the lights them is on and everything. Trust me, it's very chill. It's a very chill box. Over there you got the bar as well too. It's called Mez, you know. That's what they call Mez. And over here you got some different, I think over here you got the Prime Minister Suite, I guess, yes. And the King Suite, you know, I imagine. So as you can see, the buildings over here is different, so you can get more luxury over this side. So it's called Mayfair. So if you are interested, you know, because most I always get some cars that people always ask me to check out Airbnbs for them, you know. So This is one that I would recommend as well too. You know, it's a nice area. So I'm giving you a walking tour. As you can see, you have chili spot and a tree, and it got a lot of trees as well too. As you can see, there's a lots of trees around here. You know, lots of trees. You know. So this is a off-grid place, very, very off-grid. So you cannot go wrong. You know what I mean? Green, lot of trees. So around here is really, really cool. Really, really cool. As the people are chilling. Yeah. Yeah, it's very, very nice. Yeah. You also have a bar in here as well too. So you have an inside bar as well too. So here is where you go. Hello, good afternoon. Who's Tanika? Tanika? Tanika or Mika? Oh, Mika. How would the name fit? Guys, so you know I'm here and I'm meet this talented Jamaican, you know. By hearing him speak, I could have tell that he sounds like a disc jockey, you know, a radio announcer. One of those talents, and from here I said that, just imagine, you know, so I'm gonna make him introduce himself and make you hear the radio voice, and then you can decide and tell me, say, I'm not lying, you know, talented, our Jamaican as well. So here's my brother.
Hey, good afternoon to you. My name is Troy. I want to say good afternoon to Tina Life in Jamaica. We are actually at the Mayfair Hotel at the moment at this time. It is 30 minutes past 4 o'clock on a Tuesday afternoon. It's all about the fun and the excitement. So log on to the channel and of course you will indeed enjoy the content. So alright.
Jeez, you see what I'm telling you? Talented, official. So imagine that. The guys, if you're looking and you want promotion, you want somebody to do an advert for you, you have any dance coming up, any party, anything at all, any social event, trust me, you can reach out and them can make that for you. If you're doing a dance, any event at all, wedding, you name it, right? So them can reach out to you, right?
Indeed they can.
So give them a contact number just in case, man.
You can reach me 775-2212, okay?
Yes. So you hear the voice. So if you're keeping a party, you want a WhatsApp thing to go around, you want a video for you, man, big it up, you know. Reach out, you know, and tell us our country, fellow people is very talented. Listen to the man, hear the man voice, natural. You know, I think he need a radio station for himself.
That could be true, yeah.
Don't it?
Yeah, man, Jojo.
Where you say Barry G? RFM. You know, the man talented man. Come on, man. Send him a road. Send him a road.
Oh, better sounding, you don't?
Yeah.
Right, you want me to give one time signal?
Alright, go on.
Watch it now. The farmer cold and flu reduces those nagging coughs. Get farmer cold and flu today. The time our farmer cold is 15 minutes past 4 o'clock on a Tuesday afternoon. 50 past
4 for true. That's the truth. I understand. So, oh, you're here, brother. You should be sitting around those mic right now. People listening to your voice, driving in their car. What is going on, man?
Well, sometimes, you know, other persons take this different opportunities, and that's where one presents itself.
Yeah.
But you never know. Maybe one day you'll hear me on the radio for sure.
Of course, because it sounds like someone I hear on the radio,
well,
for sure.
I work on the radio one day only.
One day.
Oh, that's a big deal.
I was just co-hosting.
Okay, for one day only.
Yeah.
So them sure that's
and they did enjoy my
company, of course. You know, with the talent and you're the one, so man. So I think you need one for yourself or someone need to hire you. Anyone who's watching and you have a radio station, I could hear a brother online, you know. You need this voice, you know, cause trust me, you speak with the people, them love.
And I can read news too, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Give me the evening news there.
Traffic on Marcus Garvey Drive is moving quite freely at this time. If you're heading to Alfred Tree, you're gonna take it easy on the road because there might be a lot of traffic heading to you from 3 miles up into the Constant Spring area. But at this time, we'll exercise caution as you travel the business thoroughfare.
Yes. Hey, we don't want the sports news now.
The sports?
Yes, sir. Give me the sports news.
Jamaica today won 6 medals at the Olympic in France.
Wow.
That's in the sports.
And then any update on Shelley Fraser Price?
It is understood that she suffered a little injury, so therefore she will not continue in the Olympic until maybe further notice. I'm not quite sure if this is her final Olympic, but let's watch and see.
Let's watch and see. So what about Sherika Jackson?
I'm not quite sure. We'll have to speak with her coach because what she says, she was indeed in a little pain. I wanted to perform, but due to circumstances, she was not able to perform.
Jack. Man, talented man. They go say the voice more money.
Alright.
So tell them any platform and can find you on social media.
I'm on WhatsApp, but I have to get my number.
Give them.
The number is 775-2212. I'm also on, what do you want to name, TikTok.
Yeah.
And you can find me.
Is on TikTok?
You're promoting your culinary skills.
Yeah.
Oh yes, I'm on Instagram too, Cobas1. You see all my cooking and all of those stuff.
Okay.
Yeah man, if you want marry, we can do everything for you, you know.
Aye, same talented man all
In
about,
everything,
man.
yeah.
Kitchen and radio. That
The
is
full package.
The full package.
That is correct. Oh, by the way, if you're having your wedding, I can MC your wedding also, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, man, I have a wedding doing and coming up shortly too.
Yeah. So it's only wedding alone your MC?
Well, not necessary.
What about events like birthday party
If
and
you
them
want me
things?
to, I can.
Goes already now. Big up yourself.
Listen that one then.
I got. Yeah.
This Friday, September 9th, with my Jamaican association with VIP Vibe Friday presents his birthday bash, Cool 28, live at the Silver Spoon Seafood Bar and Grill in Buffet, Portland. Dress in your colors for luncheon in the day. First 5 belly buster order gets you 2 bid to top it off. Music by the Billboard team, hosted by unruly team of Lady Cass. Shell the bar, that's your admission. Don't you dare miss this one. It's going to be big.
Yeah, but so big up yourself.
Alright,
you know,
take care.
let me say, hopefully this thing can bring you far, you know, because you're talented. You know, you're talented. Blessings to all, yeah? Alright, and yes. Yeah, so the man talented, please. Very, very talented. You see what you mentioned is talented? Just look at that. So if you're doing an event and you want the man to do an advert for you, just like that, you can contact him, you know, because the number will be there, you know, just contact him, you know, trust me, you can do that. So this is the Mayfair, you know, security post right here, you know, security entry post and everything. But trust me, talented Jamaican boy. Well guys, well, so I'm at Living Foods, you know. So today right now I'm eating myself healthy. You know, I'm gonna get a smoothie here and I wanna head back down to Ibo Spice, you know, because it's my food time as well too. So come like right now, seems like I stop cook at home, you know. I either I'm coming here, Living Foods, and I'm heading to either Ibo Spice. So that is my life right now, you know. Healthy life. That's what I'm heading to right now. So I'm here. Ibo.
You know, say me not I just not able to just me get one call and come on guys.
You just get a call a while ago. Sure. Big up. You see? So big up.
Who is?
Good afternoon. I mean, I always like when you guys ring and support the thing. You know, it goes already. L to you. You know, L to you. You know, I'm looking at smoothie today.
You can come and do ordering.
I know what.
Oh, we have a nice bird for strawberry, blueberry,
Mm-hmm.
and dragon fruit.
And dragon fruit.
And ginger. Nice.
And oats tonight too.
You want something with oats?
Yeah.
But if you want something with oats, you can take the spirulina one, or you can take the full oats.
Full house. What's in the full house?
Banana, plantain, kale, oats, nuts, almond milk, pumpkin.
Alright, what I'm gonna do, give me the next one where you just recommend. I'm gonna try that one there. Yeah. Let me try that one there. You know, cause I know when time I leave here I head down to Irish Spice, I'm gonna try smoothie down there as well too. So today I'm filling my belly with healthy food. And make sure save it empty. You know, do 1 and 2 errands and you know it goes already. More food for the cushion. You know, more food for the cushion. And guys, as I said, this place is located. It's Lane Plaza. You know, it's Lane Plaza. Up Constant Spring Road is out there. You know, you have Rapid True Valley is also inside here as well too. So you cannot go wrong. No time at all, they cannot go wrong. Right, so remember, live healthy food all the way, guys. So don't be just eating all the junks and I want to put in the healthy thing in the body, you know. So it's a rush hour time and it's a food time as well too. So I've been up and down on the road, so I make sure I save my stomach kind of half empty. So, you know, say I'm gonna eat food, you're gonna eat today food, you're plenty. So yeah, you know, so take you back inside. So I'll go on. Healthy. I need to try the cakes one of these days, you know. Definitely need to try one of these cakes. All organic cakes. So you say what the cake's made from again? Nuts.
Yeah.
What else?
Walnut, cashew, almond.
It make from
Mineral oils. Chocolate.
Should you say you know?
No.
You see the guys are well prepared already, so that's a blueberry wrap. So what's it gonna be in this one for me now?
So this one is dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit, yeah, here.
Dragon fruit, strawberry, blueberry,
Yeah.
pineapple, ginger.
Nice. So what I'm gonna get from this? Energy, what go on with this? Energy. Good for the body. You say you eat healthy too? Not really? And you work at living food? Not really. How many percent? Yeah. 5? 5? No. What is going on? You cannot work at living. You don't like healthy food? I don't like them food without your meat. You like your meat, right?
Yes.
Love your chicken. Your pork, oh gosh. Only for detox. Right. Detox. Lord, see you a big buckle of detox right now. See it here, shake. Get out the pork out the stomach. No pork. No man, you have to leave the pork alone, man. Why you love the pork? You like how it tastes? Alright, would you eat pork without seasoning? No?
Yes.
Is it alright, listen. Alright.
Eat without seasoning.
No, you don't eat pork without seasoning?
Yes. Can eat without seasoning.
And it nice same way? Oh no.
Why?
You know what say pork it take about half of your life, you know.
Be real?
So if you stop eating pork you get about 50 more years for your life. Don't it? 50 more years. You know, what you like about the pork, it's with gummy. We like the gumminess. If you like gumminess, you buy a lot of chewing gums, man. eat chewing gum.
That's not gummy.
Of course, I mean gummy, stick.
Gummy.
We get crazy glue, glue, you know.
You know, we just come up there.
You just come off of the life. The premiere we're going on. Oh, with my sister. Sister arrived here in the JA, you know, so she won't come up here, so you gotta see her as well.
Okay.
Come get in her health food. Oh, I never tried the nutcracker.
The best one that.
Are the best one, Dad?
Yes.
So why never give me the best one?
No, no, listen to her.
The best one because me like.
You like it?
Smoothie, but that's the one she likes.
Oh, the nutcracker. I should try because I see peanut butter, almond milk, pumpkin seed, and what else? Banana. Hey, that nice though. And from it, your pokey, I tell you, say it nice, it's nice.
Nice.
I pokey, from pokey, tell you, say it nice. But no, should know when things nice, if you don't support nice.
Nice with the ackee wrap.
With the ackee wrap? Say you do ackee wrap as well?
Yeah, we do accurate.
Yeah. God damn. So I'm gonna say the menu for all the ackee wrap.
They're right here.
Oh, so basically I'm not looking. So let me look on the menu again. Cause we never see the ackee wrap.
Now, ackee wrap, chickpea wrap.
Oh, the ackee and okra
No.
and beans. No. Which one?
We do ackee wrap, chickpea wrap, veggie wrap.
These are porridge, burger, and buns.
Wraps.
Me not see no wraps. I don't see any wraps over here. That's why me never catch it. Eh? It's not there, right? It's not there.
It's a wraps, but we don't stay the time.
Oh, it's a wraps.
Yeah.
But it say whoa.
Yeah, that means they're whoa.
It's a wraps about whoa. You know? So we can't eat whoa.
Oh, it's a wow, fermented nut cheesecake.
Wow. If you know how I go on the wow, go on the wow, you know? A pork friend over there, I have some detox for you. Detox. Yeah?
Taste it and sample it and yeah, wow.
You can hear how I go on?
Yeah. It's an anti-inflammatory thing.
Yeah. Let me see if my friend is correct. So is it a nutcracker or this one? No. They come like say. I drink
Guys, look at that beautiful smoothie.
Well, it's look good. Them say looks are deceiving. Guys, them say looks are deceiving. So I hope I won't get deceived right now. Wait, said no. She said no, man. Like the man I
No, what you said? She said no, man. What you said?
I say it's okay. It's not better than my Pro-Gizer.
Okay.
But it's like more like a drink. Those one are more like smooth with milk and everything. So this one is a healthy drink, guys. So it is nice. It's good for a drink. Good. You know. So next time when you try the nutcracker.
Alright, next time we try the nutcracker.
Yeah. Cause you know, so I can't only come and try one thing. I have to try what's there. What's a man stand up? Oh, see it there? Man stand up. Hello. So if the man is sitting down and drinking that, he must stand up. Hey, so I go on. So I go on my dying trial. So man, if you're sitting down and drink that, you have to stand up. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Hey.
Don't give up,
Yeah. Don't give up. Don't give up. Come get the man stand up if you feel like giving up. Gentlemen, come and get the man stand up. Get up off your ground and come get the man. So, you know what? The more I drink it, the more I like it. So the more I get into it, the more I'm getting the feel of it, you know. How much for my drink?
matter, man. They come here and
Snagger.
snag.
Snaggers. Yeah, what I'm supposed to. Can you tell me, say, me come, man?
They come the same day.
Yeah. One long talking and go on outside.
But when they left him here,
Oh, you go left him?
respect.
Alright. You see the guys, so recommended, you know, recommend whenever you come here. Anything from them say cartel, say kerchief, and me say elk. Yeah. The cartel say kerchief and me say elk. Come and get it. This bring your wealth.
Yeah.
You know? Live longer. Right? Alright, then take care. Leave the pork.
Leave the burnt alone.
Yes, leave it, you know. And we say leave the pork, choose the pop chow.
Yeah, same way.
Yeah, man. Lose the pork, choose the pop chow.
You're not being a boy.
Eh?
That we no boy.
You know good. Should I leave her meat doing one thing she shot different than me. But I defend it, man. But trust me, I have to go run left it soon. Soon. Alright then, yeah? Yeah. Alright, boy, so yes guys, remember when you come here, you need to come check out this place right here at Lane Plaza. Let me make you see the number before I leave. So this is the number here. I didn't know this on the door, right? Alright, so here's the contact number for living food. A living for true. Living food. Yes, I'm here now. I'm down on Orange Street, you know, coming to see Ivo Spice, you know, to see if the food I'm ready to spice, you know, because I'm not missing it again this time. Keep on miss the food, you know. Yes, I'm gonna go out there, man.
Repair of the place.
Yes.
Nicely and support. You know?
So what kind of work you get done today? Man, as mentioned, Kino. My name is Kino, yeah? Yeah, I know. So the chest I dried I work on.
Now, where you want to do?
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Kino what?
Kino Life.
Live in Jamaica.
Yeah, Life
So
in
you come
Jamaica.
from YouTube?
Yeah, now YouTube. I do the positivity and do charity as well too.
Time I get started up. So, what's that about, you know? If I go sue the government?
Well, me and them ask him, I never say anything, so I don't really know where I'm going with still. So me Winford, they ask him about it and be quiet about it, you know.
And you say if I go run for MP?
Well, him say if everyone for MP, him can't lose.
If I go run the St. Catherine in where people want your name again?
How
Where the man will run over there, you want name again, man?
who that again?
MP man, the man, when you...
St.
That's why I
Catherine.
can't remember people. I run over St. Catherine, man.
I don't really know how still.
You know how?
But him say once him run for MP, him say he cannot lose.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he must know the influence of him, right? Yeah.
And people know I have to go on the team, you know.
Yeah.
Fitz Jackson, man.
Oh, Fitz Jackson.
Fitz Jackson.
Okay. But him feel him can't win, him must can't win. Because it come like if you had a good for your community, you know, people they must say, and he's doing better than what them people that's supposed to do.
Yeah, but when you're a politician, you don't remember the poor people, you know. The only politician who done good for Jamaica, Michael, man. Michael, man. Defending poor people, and whether you're PMP or PMP, you put him on your hand. Them man have everything on political side. You have to give ratings.
Michael. Yeah, because a lot of people talk about him, say.
You have to give him ratings in the cast for going.
Yes.
One of them sell well. Michael is the owner man.
Yeah.
Remember, and defend the resources. Enough people down the check from Mambo said poor relief place that people can get money, you know.
Yes,
You
yes.
see me?
Yeah, yeah.
Same rest, you know.
So we need somebody like him.
Yeah. You know, I go find that. And all this one, although me a PMP and this one we have got. This one my goal in it. Because right now too we are going in the country, him should lead the people of the protest and make the man talk. The 7 man or 8 man in there. When I want to talk how the money go on. All the GPP, they must change constitution and it's illegal. When I right. Man, you don't talk, you can't even quote and you win. Action.
Action, yeah.
Action.
Yeah, 'cause that's what the people them need right now is more action than talking. You know, that's why you get a man vote. You see the action when I do. Don't only come on when they know next week election you try to look at action.
And then give you one little pen.
I want pen, I want book, and patch to road. Years that I go on still, you know.
Money.
Yeah.
Do business to like anybody. I said, right now the labor is a man have my furniture.
Yeah.
And we can't get no help from nobody.
Not even the government can give you help. Because right now you don't need help right now for kickstart.
If they get money from government, they do big things, that's why they're full up with furniture and machinery for next thing. Not man of machine.
Yes.
What do you think about the need business, the ID, some of them I talk about? All the people who get damaged in the hurricane, and if you don't have your ID need, like they must force it down for we the people. They had a big country, them now use it. Why you have a little country like Jamaica want to bring in things for the people there?
Yes.
And they go to where they have the money.
Nah,
use it. So why you as a little man want to go use it? You have a Ministry of Security and Justice, Deputy Prime Minister, and he can go and represent you.
Yeah.
Have you ever hear that? So he can go to America go represent you. You don't know that too?
Yeah, me hear that already.
All of them want for themselves.
All for themselves. You know, it's only for themselves.
Cater about the poorer class.
Yes.
17 people in shoot on a Cherry Lane down a 4 passes. 17 dead. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that.
You catch how much you hold how much ton of cocaine value, how much billions of dollars. And I know you can't hear a who. You can't hear a who for. Because them involved in it.
Them all have money for themselves. No, like we think say we always think say the government should do a little bit more better than what them do. At least try to show the people them say them can make a change. You know, and invest in them people.
They make a big change by thieving taxpayers' money, put in them pocket. That's why them no want declare their asset.
Yeah.
You know why? And if we vote property tax or any tax, you see them are right here and come take away your place or whatsoever. But you own and nobody no want come out. Everybody about keep quiet. And the one of them are traitor. Man money run, man get money. They use the money and buy out people. People keep quiet.
Yeah.
Them can't get the food from the
yeah.
So them don't want to hear nothing from we. Yeah, but we are one of the best teacher and nurses in the world. And everybody are going. You are going to bring teachers from Philippines and all them places to come and
yeah, and what we have them and make them leave.
And we teach them a brilliant teacher, well educated, nurse, doctors.
You hear me? So, and then now we make other country reap the benefit from our own people then when they decide to leave. Yes. So when they leave now, the mediocre them will leave now, and then give the people the ill treatment inside the hospital.
Yeah.
You know, because the best are already left.
All outside world people come and come free up and gone.
Yes. You know, so.
And you have brilliant people that come to go. You just don't want to get through.
So how you think all of this can change?
It change? The only change can come about we the people have to unite. And stop talking about PMP and JLP.
Yes.
We have to come together. Yeah, as one.
And that is one of the hardest things we see right now, you know. Because on one set of people will say, yes man, let's unite, the next set say, yo, Okay, what go on now?
Well, I'm
Alright.
searching man, you have the money and you alright here man.
Yeah.
Well, a Rasta man, they alright.
You're alright.
Nah,
Yeah.
you have a truckload of money, you sit back catch free. You have a little fan of money, you sit catch free. You know, so strong like the man who have a truckload of money. You see me? So I
They have
just say,
70 they have 77
the man
years
who have
of
a
age and
truckload of money.
the worst independent they ever see. You know, see no float, you know, see no this, you know, see no that.
Each time them are celebrate it, right?
You know, spend no money for sport. Sports is all that's all. Yes, so should have built up what you call it, you think they were tourists come.
Over here, sir is
Yeah.
what?
About what is man? Up there, so Dennis Brown is something, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big yard up there.
We used to keep when Dennis Brown birthday every year, then used to black off your son keep it. Then the black your son then carry down a town, down so keep.
The whole of your shop with portions. You have beef and
Everything's
pork
before
and
people
roll.
then take away. You enjoy.
Yeah.
The worst independence we ever seen.
Portions they
Worse.
Last
As night come, you see all the taxi and all the minibus on the road. Empty.
Empty.
Night come, everybody gone, everybody afraid of a gunshot, all sort of something. Man tell you about if you go to me, you can't sleep in the door wide open. I mean, no, say him, Andrew Holiness now sleep in the house door open because when he in the house, he white. He has soldier and police are guarding, he not going to leave the door open.
Yeah, nah.
Double lock.
The best prime minister we have in Jamaica is
Michael Mann.
Michael Mann, yeah, arrange up things so you can go get money from
Get money.
from poor relief place and them things and
Yes.
carry on your business and take time to pay back poor relief place.
Empty, nobody in there buy. People have no money to spend.
Yes, it's true. And the
Empty,
whole
go
city.
out on the see place empty, nobody buy nothing.
All make the money and go to China.
Mm.
You see me? Them make all the money.
But their inferior goods come and sell away.
Yes.
Yeah, every day the goods raise up. Every day the goods raise up.
It's going to be a revolution.
Hey, so why is that them keep on raising the goods then?
Who have a business and look holy back. Among the poor people they have to rub broke down place.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying, Michael Mann, the best prime minister in Jamaica, when suffering in a problem, we can call upon the money and him send me a place, that poor relief place to go get money for
Yeah.
and we pay it back. You know, we pay back poor relief money. And this a man that come in.
Nothing like that.
God, man, you dead be hungry. You now get that again, you don't respond for nobody. I tell you.
We have to look out
So
for
yeah,
the
YouTube, they're on the phone.
Yeah, man.
on the YouTube. Yeah, they're on YouTube. Kino Life in Jamaica.
You say name again?
Kino, Kino.
You can't spell it, man.
Yeah, Life in Jamaica.
Jamaica, clean alive in Jamaica.
So you can check it out and see me do a lot of charity work as well to feed the poor people
Look
them and
for
help
to
them.
Steve at night time, man.
Yes. So you will
And me look for him, what they call it, Anisha, what? Anisha something like that. Look for what they man, I'll make it talk and all.
yeah. So you can look on that one and you can see the good work I do as well. So me now, me I help out people them. You know, because I do charity where the people them donate and try to help out a situation. That's what I do. You know, so people donate and we help
So
out.
that's why you record upon this now.
Yeah. No, it not out there because I got to edit it.
Find a station upon this.
Where's the YouTube?
If you catch up by there's a joke near back with injection.
So this is my channel there.
You never say? Emotional return, my sister's back home.
Yeah.
People going on
Yeah, man.
So this is one time I did an eyeball spice as well.
I buy yourself?
Yeah, that's
Oh, hope you saw.
Yeah. So that's the one time I go in there as well. And in that same video,
Yeah.
that's when I come check him.
Yeah,
I will go in and place as well.
Yeah,
too.
man.
Yeah, man. So
Yeah, man.
I that to do, man. So hopefully, if that we do now, somebody can call and say them want to help him out.
Yeah,
You know?
I don't know if people get money from borrow, the people can help business, help small or
Because this business know what you're doing, right? So lack of material. I stop you right now.
Material it need. But no money for buy material.
No money for buy material.
So that's why jam up and you see them every day.
So even this way you make now, that you need material for complete that, right?
Spray it.
The spray.
But I two of them they have it. Jano! See next one. See next one.
So you need material now for complete it. So like what? So we need like sprayer?
Spray material. I don't have no money to buy spray material and those things. So I just said no, if I have money to buy material. Them are two that don't long time. I either come say a whole heap of things pack up in.
Yes.
You see me?
Yes.
But no money. So it have to go stay there and stay there.
Yes. And how long now you have it like this waiting to get material?
Over 3 months.
It's over 3 months sitting here like this.
I know, like one time when I put bridge in my pass and they tell him, give your money and say, buy material and do your thing.
Yeah.
Everything gets wicked now in a Babylon.
Yes.
You see me?
Bro,
In the days of Dennis Brown and Bob Marley and Peter Tosh and them man there, when them man always come out here and come in our place, come see them thing and them help them give them money to do things. When you have a trade, they tell them, never buy things.
Yeah. So like how much spray and that them thing that you need? Where you think that to that big cost? How much you need for like for can help?
Right now for buy this spray and pull on them. Roughly around 20 grand.
Oh, 20,000.
Yeah. And I have to pay people to sand them down and spray. I can't do the spray.
Yeah.
I can't do the spray. So I know what to put myself in that.
Oh, so somebody do the spraying for you? Okay.
I have to pay them around 10 grand for kilo and plus you have to go buy the material. So where the money gets, I make sure buy the material and deal with the spray.
Yes. So at $20,000 would I give a good start?
Give me a good start. I can spray them up, go sell them, and come back, buy board, build more. I saw it going on.
Yes.
Man, free.
So just keep on.
Nobody man help people like that.
Yes. Yeah, then so as I say, I got prayers, someone can come and assist you same way, So it's been useful where somebody can try to help you any way at all.
Let me even get a start. 5-10 grand, you can go buy the spray and the pull them and buy the rest of material and and get everything. So when we finish one and take to the store, we can go buy material and come build up. You see me?
Yes. So $20,000 would I complete this one?
The two of them.
The two of them. So when the $20,000 complete two of them, it does go sell it and buy about more material.
Aye.
Alright guys, so you see the situation is, only $20,000 you would have need, to complete this, so at least now you can sell this and then go back and market and then start to be like this. Because this been sitting down for the last 3 months, 3 months ago. So because of lack of funding, because of material.
Nobody them side there.
Nobody running.
Nobody.
Yes,
Time come now when people no serve for nobody,
Yes.
Judgment now, You see me? Compulsion if you find a good bridge in your pass through
and bless you.
You tell them and them say, alright, let's take out the money and give it. Go and go do you can't go tomorrow now, go buy everything them fix up and spray up and sell this one and go buy more material for make half dozen of them.
Yes.
You see me?
Yes.
Yeah. That might trade this,
Yes, I'm saying it's a trade, As I say, I'm definitely going to pray and try and seek some help for you, where at least $20,000 so you can go and finish this. So I'm going to make it my point of duty and try and seek that for you, right? So you can have this and get it done, right?
If men get them, you da come see that full up with things.
Yes, yes.
You see me, you da put all them things I got enough to pack up in. You see me? That's right, yes.
I get you, man. Don't worry, man. I got you here.
Put the trust into the more side. If somebody come can help
Help you.
it's alright. Try finish one.
And go. Yes.
It's easy to finish now. I'm if you just spray up in it.
Yes, yes.
Put on the pool there. And take it to the store.
Cause even with this now, even if you know get a support same way,
Yeah.
someone can help you and you can complete this. Me can even purchase this for one of the projects them that I'm doing, because them gonna always need furnitures. So we leave with this now, I can come and purchase this for you, for the wow chef, because we're building a project now for someone and the house is almost finished. I'm also gonna need something like this.
Yeah.
So if you could get the material now and finish it, spray them up.
Have them in, people
come buy it from you.
Come buy and we can get back to market now and just buy some more things. And just build up half dozen.
Of course.
My work is me
Yes, man.
work, we can't work without money.
Yes, man. Well, have faith, and believe so, it all come true. It all come true. Don't worry, because there's a reason why we meet.
Yeah.
Because the work when you do align with what you're seeking for. Always try to bring a help. And then there's a reason why we connect, so me could at least bring that assistance and bring this to the world where someone at least can reach out and touch you, and then we can come and even support this for the world chef.
We that can do nothing without money and feeling as
Yeah.
That's work one.
Yeah, man. Alright then.
Enough respect.
Yeah, man. I'm just saying we're gonna make it work, yeah? Definitely gonna make it work, man. Don't worry, I'll make it work.
Yeah, man, help him out, Kino.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna do it,
man.
I'll do it, man. I'll help him out, man. I'll make it work, man. It's a must. Big up.
Look up on YouTube, everything.
Yeah, man. YouTube.
You know, so I have a daughter. Every time you come back again, Mary, I have a daughter, she's American. And we can't find her. We find her mother in a 2002. From Montego Bay, maybe I run a bus and watch it.
Yeah.
And she wait for me and watch it. And she said, so you have a daughter. She's 13-year-old now and she's American, red like you. Yeah, but me get you and go England in the same 2002 and go England, spend 2 years and come back.
Yeah.
Miss Narrow. Yeah, the person who know her good, we used to load my bus a country, dead. And she come from the same district.
So you can put a name out there, put something out there where someone can get the information.
Fucking long, man.
No, you don't know the name.
Don't remember her name, but when she say her in 2002, we say take all my connection.
You know her mother name?
Don't remember. God no, because she check me,
How's this?
in a Mount Salem, one of them places. Up to them places that go on mad.
Yeah.
Say, careful, lawyer.
No pet name, not.
You me say she come check me in the bus. Sorry, she come from. Where can she live now? And she said to me, me go give you all of my connection.
Yeah.
I'm a family, all McMasters, them are my family. I'm a family man.
Okay.
I'm give her all them connection. That means that she can't find me, she find them.
Yeah.
And she said, like when me see her run the bus, I come check you back. Me get you 2 months after I come England. And spend 2 years. I never deal with no bus. I chuck me a deal with no.
Yeah. And from within 2 years on she leave and go away.
No man, just she come spend time. At the time she come spend to go back.
Yeah.
But my daughter was 13-year-old at the time.
She was young.
He said, your daughter red like you. Yeah.
So that means that you're not red and probably look alike.
She have your color.
My color.
The mother.
Okay.
Yeah, but
so your daughter now have your complexion.
So she tell me.
And I hope she look like you.
Yeah, she say you look. Yeah, so she say.
Okay, him can put up a picture on it, and
yeah, so them I go see it, man, because my number one audience who watch this program is from America.
Okay.
Paul.
He's the run bus from Kingston to Mobile.
Okay.
And then I stop and start run to Ochiras.
Yeah. Cause me
Piece of
check
yellow.
Perry.
They call me. Piece of yellow.
Piece of yellow.
Yes.
And there's people that
And
come in
Paul
and say,
is me,
oh,
Paul.
Perry, me used to go to school back in
Paul,
the
I'm
days.
in here. Yeah, man. Paul.
Paul. All right then, Paul. So hopefully this can reach to some connection, you know, where you get a phone call for yes, yo.
Never can tell you.
You never can tell.
She's from Mount Salem. She's from Mobile.
She's from Mobile, Mount Salem.
Montego Bay. I
Montego.
think so. I don't sure, but she used to come check me at the bus park. That's why. And then just so long because my daughter now is from 2002. She's 13, so how old she is now?
Yes, from 2012 now, yeah. She's a big woman now.
Yes.
Yeah,
Big woman now.
big woman.
I need to
now.
know her.
So she's in our about 35 now.
She has brothers and sisters out there who want to know her.
Yes,
And
yes.
Mac Masters meat shop, see there?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can look on it
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Mac
She has a
Master.
number there.
Oh,
You
the
can
meat
call
shop over there, Mac Master's meat shop.
On the connection that. She has a number there.
Okay, so I like Mac
Mama,
Master.
Master, you know.
Okay, so you know what?
Mama, they live in England.
Okay, right
My
now.
name is Hunt. Paul Hunt. Owen Hunt is my right name.
Oh, wait, no.
But Paul, she know me as Paul.
Okay, okay. All right then.
Used to run bus from Kingston to Kingston.
Mobile to Kingston. We're praying for that connection to happen.
She used to come in Kingston with me. The mother.
Yeah. The Mac Master. Let me get that.
Come check me in 2002. I still don't get all my connection, you know. You say she
Yeah.
just take it.
Yeah.
Sure. Wow, so
Alright.
little girl, man. American, you know. My brothers
Yeah.
and sisters live up there, you know.
Alright then, so we pray and hope say
Yeah, man.
something
yeah,
happen.
man.
Yeah, right? Go check Ibo now.
Alright,
You know? Yeah, man.
Maybe one day,
General.
one day.
One day,
Should
man.
I put my number on it too?
Put your number, man, just in case.
562 30 32.
So it's 1876.
What am I saying again?
1876, that's your
1876. Okay.
Yeah.
1876
Yeah.
562 30 32.
Yes.
It all up on it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that's it.
So if anybody know the connection, then we'll call
Right.
them. Right? If anything come up. So we are keeping in touch, yeah? Yeah, man. We are keeping in touch.
That's what the link go down.
Yes, that's how it goes,
They
man.
look simple, but you never can tell.
No, never can tell. Never can
Never
tell.
was the most guy on the
Every time, you know. The guy say, you see that? You know. Oh, this is a chuck. Alright then. Right, so you see that? A man, I've been seeing his kids for all long. You know, and he's putting out the word out there, hopefully now them can meet again in some way, somehow. You know, some way, somehow. And guys, as I say, the Rasta man, we want to try and help him, you know, to get some material. You know, he said 20,000 can complete the furniture. You know, if you can get some help for him, you know, 20,000 where he can complete his furniture, where he can actually just go there and sit down. Bring back himself, you know, go back to the market and start back over again. As you can see, his condition as well to where he's really going through a distress, you know. So I'm here at iBus Pie, so let's go inside. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Curried Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.